Is AXS a legit platform for buying tickets, or is it just another online scam? With so many people worried about fake tickets and unreliable resellers, it's no surprise that AXS.com has caught a lot of attention. AXS isn't a newcomer. It's actually been around since 1997, which already gives it a level of credibility that many newer ticketing sites lack. The platform is widely known for selling tickets to concerts, sports games, festivals, and big-name live events, making it a key player in the digital ticketing industry. One thing that stands out is its official mobile app, which allows users to buy, manage, and scan tickets without hassle, and that definitely adds convenience. Another plus is their strong social media presence and active customer engagement, which helps build trust since they're not hiding behind a faceless website. On top of that, their customer support has been reported as fairly responsive, which is not always the case with other ticket sellers. However, that doesn't mean AXS is completely flawless. Some users have complained about unexpected service fees that make tickets more expensive than they first appear, while others mention delays or difficulties transferring tickets, especially when plans change last minute. There are also reports of people finding the app a little confusing to navigate, particularly when trying to retrieve purchased tickets for large events. So while AXS does show a lot of signs of being a legitimate platform, long history, official partnerships, and reliable tech, it also has its share of frustrations that leave some buyers skeptical. At the end of the day, AXS isn't a scam, but it's not perfect either. Whether it's worth using depends on your tolerance for extra fees and the occasional hiccup.